Hey everyone, Sarah here. So I'm here to set up my June bullet journal. I just realized that I never posted this, and I can't believe it because I really liked just playing with this month for June. And I think I was just cleaning up my files for my mid-year reset series that I'm putting out. And I realized, oh my gosh, I never did my June bullet journal. I never launched it. I put the video together and I just never actually did the voiceover, this thing I'm doing right now. So anyhow, so I'm going to put it up and, hope you enjoy it. So I'm just setting up my bullet journal, and I use this really to it's just like a brain dump, a journaling. I play in it. It's not as formal as like my Hobonichi that I do. So I really like this because it's really more of my crafty hobby journaling, like not work related bullet journal, if you will. So I'm just getting my stamps out, and I really like using stamps in my bullet journal. And so these are just letter stamps that I found. I think I found them, I want to say these are at Hobby Lobby, and they were in just like a clearance bin. So I'm spelling out mid-year reset here to kind of identify my theme. So every month this year I have a theme that I'm working on that will kind of align me to balance. My word of the year is balance. So I'm taking the month of June. I originally had it scheduled for work, and my original goals were kind of thrown off with this whole stay-at-home order. So I'm using the month of June to just reset because I have new roles at work, and I'm kind of resetting my planning style and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, I'm just putting my theme in there. So this is my bullet journal, and it's a Letchcrum. I don't know how to say it. And I have to put the calendar in there, the monthly calendar. It drives me nuts that if I don't have it, but I don't want to draw them out. So those stickers are available in my shop, the kind of right and left, and I really like them because I still get the calendar, but yet I don't have to do all the work. So it's just a full page sticker. So those are in my shop if you want to check them out. And I just put mid-year reset at the top, and I'm just and it's a stays on ink pad is what I use. It's just black, and I'm just writing in the days. So it's actually the 6th right now while I'm doing this voiceover, but I did have this done before. And there's actually 30 days to June, not 31. So I'm just putting in my goals, and these are just to do my mid-year reset and my planning routine, and my Hobonichi, set up my new Hobonichi Cousin of Beck for July. And I love setting up a new planner. I'm doing this whole mind map thing. So I'll leave a card at the end of this so you can check out my mid-year reset video series that I'm launching. So I'm just setting up my gratitude log. I didn't do this in May, and it bothered me that I didn't have it because I just wanted to sit and play, and I didn't have it, and that's usually what starts me off and kind of getting into journaling. So I put that back in there, and those are my stickers. Those are available in my shop as well. Gratitude. So here I'm just trying to do something different. So I'm in the whole mid-year reset, refreshing my brain, and I'm like, I'm going to throw some collaging in here. I love collaging because I I just love to see, like, I love magazines. It's just so, I just love sitting there and having coffee and reading a magazine, and I see all these cool, like, graphics and stuff, and I like to just cut them out, but I'm like, what am I going to do with this? And then when I was watching a YouTuber and she did collaging, I'm like, that's what I can do. So I'm really just, like, these things I just rip out, cut out, whatever, in all the magazines that I come across. And then I just kind of log them in just little sections. Yeah, so that's what I do. And I'm just getting some stuff out that kind of reminds me of a mid-year reset. So time for renewal. Balance, that's my word of the year. Wellness at work, recharge. So I'm just plopping them all in there. Searching for a glue stick. They're never where you need them. Or maybe some stickers. I kind of can't remember now. Okay, Sarah. Let's go. Where you at? Recharge. Nice. Balance. A time for renewal. Wellness at work. Oh my goodness. Seriously, Sarah. So I'm just plopping them in there. And so I actually went and I was like scrounging. So here's my thing. I love how watercolor looks on the back of the page of a journal. And I love this Letchgrum journal. I really need to learn how to say this because I really love this bullet journal. Like it's my favorite. I mean, I really like the Hobonichi, but I just love this. Like, I think it's because it's what I started with, so I just like the feel in my hands. So anyway, but I don't like how the watercolor, like, it seeps through, and it's not great for the watercoloring. Well, at least I don't think so. So I started watercoloring splotches of paper and put it on there in the background, and then I use the pink thing is alcohol ink, so you'll see me put that in there. And I just got some stickers from Amazon just to kind of cutesy it up a bit, because again, this is just like my free-for-all fun, like, play journal, and again, yeah, I just like it. So I'm just throwing some stickers, and those stickers I got from Amazon, and they are in another language. It's like Japanese or Chinese or just something that I actually just don't know what language it is, but I can't read it, I know that. And I'm just putting some stickers in the bottom to put some notes in, and I'm just trimming off the edges. So here's the alcohol inks on some vellum. Like, I really love the alcohol inks, but they bleed through the pages so much, so that bothers me. But I also like how it spreads on the vellum. So I'm like, I'm just gonna make some borders out of these bad boys. So I just did that, and I'm just putting some stickers in there. I'm trying to use up some of the Happy Planner stickers I have, or whatever they are, but I like them, but I don't use them because I don't really put them in my planner, but I do like them. So anyhow, and here's just some stuff I printed out with my HP Sprocket. I love that printer, I gotta tell you. Just a quote, I'm doing this for future me, so she gets the life she deserves. And I'm just putting some filler stuff into the background. I just like a full page when I'm doing the collaging. And I just felt like playing a bit, so I was like, what's a bullet journal for, right? So I hope you guys liked this setup. It was pretty simple. Sorry it's late. I can't believe I forgot about it. That's so weird. But here's my gratitude, and then my just my calendar. So thanks for watching, everyone. Take care.